Are you feeling overwhelmed by the thought of selling your home in today's rapidly changing real estate market? What if I told you that the right technology could make all the difference? In this video, we'll explore how I use cutting-edge technology to transform home sales here in Luzerne County, ensuring you get the best price quickly. Stay tuned because missing out on these tools could mean leaving money on the table. First off, professional photography. We're not talking about cell phone pics or amateur shots with some camera bought on Facebook Marketplace. We hire dedicated, trained professionals to capture your home in the best light. According to statistics, properties with professional photography receive 118% more views online and sell 50% faster. Next up, drone photography. This high-tech approach allows us to showcase your home from unique angles, highlighting its best features and the surrounding neighborhood. Homes with drone photography sell 68% faster on average. But my favorite tool is professional video. A professionally crafted video doesn't just show your home, it tells a story. With a director on site to highlight the most beautiful parts of your home, we create a compelling narrative that connects emotionally with potential buyers. This approach leads to 43% more inquiries as buyers are motivated to take the next step and actually schedule a showing. Let's not forget about social media. By leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and YouTube, we generate 1,200% more activity in your property. This multi-platform approach ensures your home is seen by a vast audience, increasing the chances of finding the right buyer quickly. Listen, these are not just numbers. They're proven strategies. By integrating professional photography, drone footage, and high-quality videos in our marketing process, we maximize your home's exposure and appeal. This comprehensive approach not only attracts more buyers, but also helps secure better offers in less time. In the end, it's all about getting you top dollar for your home in the shortest amount of time. And with my advanced marketing techniques, that's exactly what I achieve. Are you ready to see how technology can help sell your home quickly and for top dollar? Contact me at 570-301-8196 or through the links in the description below. I help homeowners like you every week to make their next move seamlessly.